In order to be able to communicate with other chemists, we must be able to name the molecules we are referring to. There are a series of rules that we have to follow when naming molecules. First, we must select the parent chain. That will be the longest continuous chain of carbons. Look at this molecule and try to identify the longest possible chain. It will be this one. Because it has 9 carbons, it will be called nonane. Look at this table. For this class, you should be able to name a molecule with up to 10 carbons. Everything else is what we call substituents of the parent chain. These are the substituents in our example. The next step will be to number the chain. We have two options, starting from the right or starting from the left. We will choose the one where the first substituent falls into the lowest position. Now, we should name the substituents that are hanging from the parent chain. Remember that table that we just looked at to name the parent chain? To name the substituents, we will use the same root, but now we will use L. For example, if the parent compound has only one carbon, we will call it methane. But if we want to indicate that it's a substituent, we will call it methyl. Going back to our example, we have methyl, ethyl, methyl, and methyl. The next step is to indicate where our substituents are. There is one at 3-methyl, 4-ethyl, 5-methyl, and 6-methyl. The last step is to bring all the information together. We will follow this scheme. The position of the substituent, plus the substituent name, plus the name of the parent chain. The substituents must go in alphabetical order, so ethyl will go before methyl. In our example, there are 3 methyls. We can group them together by using the following prefixes. D is for 2, tri is for 3, tetra is for 4. Be careful because these prefixes don't count when arranging them in alphabetical order. So putting all this information together, our substituents are 4-ethyl, 3,5,6 trimethyl. Remember that they go in alphabetical order. That's why the 4 goes before the 3. And then we simply have to add the parent chain.